Alright, we're going to start off strong with some football here. Press Pass Legends 2008. 3 mini boxes. 6 packs in each mini box. 5 cards in each mini. 5 cards in each pack, I should say. So, let's go. I've had some decent stuff for Press Pass. Some good autos and stuff. So, check out what we get here. Felix Jones, rookie base. Fred Davis, rookie base. Dennis Dixon, rookie base. Colt Brennan, rookie base. And a Floyd Little, numbered 425 of 499. Barry Switzer base, Jimmy Johnson base, Mike Hart, rookie base, Craig Morton, rookie base, Ollie Matson, numbered 451 of 999. Dan Connor, rookie base. Tashard Choice, rookie base. Charlie Ward, Jesus Christ. Gale Sayers, Legendary Legacy. And a Floyd Little, number 390 of 999. Okay, whoops. Get the numbered cards out of here, put them separately. Okay, that's good. Darren McFadden, rookie base. Cedric Ellis, rookie base. Jonathan Stewart, rookie base. Roger Craig, numbered 80 of 99. And the auto is going to be of Josh Johnson, not numbered. Okay. Donnie Avery, rookie base. Eric Dickerson base. Jim Kelly base. Brett Favre, numbered 503 of 999. And another auto. This one's going to be of Malcolm Kelly, not numbered. The last pack will give us Chad Henne, rookie base. Chris Collinsworth, Ray Rice, rookie base. I'm not even going to show the rookie bases. I'm just going to kind of fly through it. Alumni Association, Felix Jones and Darren McFadden. That's not bad. And a Warren Moon, numbered 456 up 499. Okay. On we go to mini box number 2. Sorry, I'm a little quiet. I'm just trying to fly through the Press Pass stuff. So it's decent stuff. I know a couple of guys have asked why do I do Press Pass? Gale Sayers base, Kevin Smith rookie base, Chris Long rookie base, Legendary Legacy of Mike Singletary. And honestly, it's because Kevin Smith rookie, numbered 49 of 99. Honestly, Press Pass stuff is pretty decent. So it's not bad at all. Every break cannot be exquisite football, you know. Jamal Charles, rookie base. Andre Woodson, rookie base. Earl Campbell, base. Harry Douglas, base. Devin Thomas, numbered 742 of 999. And a memorabilia Saturday swatch of Chad Henne, not numbered. Don Maynard base, Herschel Walker base, Lavelle Hawkins rookie base, Deshaun Jackson, numbered 69 of 99, and a John Brody auto, again not numbered. Eddie Royal rookie base, Mike Jenkins rookie base, Aqib Talib rookie base, Alumni Association, Chris Collinsworth, Steve Spurrier, and a Matt Ryan numbered 774 of 999. 2 more packs here. Brett Favre base, Roderick Craig base, Devin Thomas rookie base, Paul Hornung base, Mario Manningham numbered 721 of 999. Glenn Dorsey rookie base, Troy Aikman, Alex Karras base, Deshaun Jackson rookie base, and a Vernon Gholston 238 of 499. All right, box number 3. Vernon Gholston, Doug Flutie, Brian Bosworth, Jamal Charles, number 254 of 499. And it's going to be a Gene Stallings signature, not numbered again. Jacob Hester, Hugh McElhenney, George Blanda, Lloyd Little, and Gale Sayers, numbered 533 of 999. There you go. 4 more packs. Ugh. Chris Johnson, rookie base, Ken Stabler, Leotis McKelvin, rookie base, John Jefferson, Legendary Legacy, and a Leotis McKelvin, rookie, 456 of 499. 3 more packs. John David Booty, rookie base, Malcolm Kelly, rookie base, Steve Young, Tommy McDonald, and then the Eddie Royal rookie, numbered 85 of 999. Kenny Phelps, rookie base, Warren Moon, Leonard Marshall, Alex Karras, numbered 66 of 999, and a Ray Rice auto. This is the second Ray Rice auto that I have, so I'm willing to sell one of these. I'm not really a big fan of trades. I mean, unless somebody gives me something good. And I really haven't had a good trade offer yet. I have people asking me to trade, but I don't know what's in your collection. You gotta let me know some stuff, you know. Give me some cards that you think would be a good trade to offer. Gene Stallings, Audrey Caldwell, John Carlson. Here's a Felix Jones All-Conference rookie. And it's going to end off with a Chris Long, numbered 64 of 99. And that's it for Press Pass Legends. That is the last box I buy of this product, basketball or football. Had a good run with the 2 boxes that I bought each for football and basketball. Hope you have enjoyed this. On to other products, ladies and gents.